What up, babies? Back again with another lit video. Yep, it's a haul, y'all. Okay, let's get straight into it, shall we? So I had a mailer that had a 20% off coupon that was going to expire before the Black Friday hoopla. So I decided to take advantage of the 10 off of 3-wick sale. Spit it out. And yeah. So I'm actually happy with the price I got. I think mine's is like, wait, hold on. I don't have to think. I can look. My invoice says I paid $11.60 for mine's versus the $12.25 if I would have did the Black Friday without the coupon. So it's Gucci. All right, enough chattering. Let's get into this haul, y'all. And I'm really excited because this haul includes some of the new, y'all. As you babies say, I'm so happy. All right, let's get into it. All right. So the first one is called Cinnamon Ginger Snap. I really love ginger, y'all. Gingerbread, that is. So let's see what this is about. It's so cute. The packaging is freaking adorable. Where they do that at? All right, let's sniff. I don't know. The cinnamon. Or is it the snap? I mean, it's not horrid. So we shall see. Next. Okay, so the next one, a lot of people rant and rave about this one, y'all. It's called Merry Madeline Cookie. And the packaging. They did an awesome job with the packaging. Oh, so pretty. All right, let's sniff. Okay. It kind of perfumey, kind of. What the hell's going on in America? All right. I'm really excited to burn this one. Yeah, it's weird. It's different. Next. I know I'm going to be sorry for getting this one, though. Y'all know how I do. I just be buying shit. Yeah, y'all, this one. The packaging is everything, though. Hello?
This is weird. I got a text message, but it's not for me. Who's Tammy?
Who's Tammy? I don't know. Somebody might be plugging into your phone.
No. It said,
Hi, Tammy. They got the wrong number. Tammy, are you watching this? Because we're freaking hysterical over here. How you get his number? That's weird.
This is the last number I have for your mom. But how?
That's not the last number you have for me, Tammy. Send her my number. Send her my number. That's weird. Anywho, can I get back to my review? The fuck? It must be Christian birthday. I'm dead. I'm dead in the bed, y'all. Okay. I forgot what I was saying. So I know Tammy gonna text me right now and I'm gonna get distracted. So let me rush through this so I can get to my friend. Anywho. Okay, so yeah, this one, I don't know why I got it. I just be buying stuff. It's called Chestnut and Clove. All right, so let's sniff. The packaging is adorable. Okay, yeah. It might be good. Yeah. Ooh, I think I might like this one. Okay. Next. Y'all, I know damn well I shouldn't have got this one. And y'all know what flavor it is, right? Y'all know. I did it anyway. What flavor I don't like, really. I keep buying it. Put it below. Yeah, it's the peppermint sugar cookie. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, I smell a bakery note. Plus, I smell a peppermint patty. Ooh. Oh, this shit gonna be good. All right. Next. So the next one has everyone on edge. They're saying that it's very similar to one of my favorites, blueberry pie. But anywho, this is called sweet cranberry pie. Let's see if what they say is true. All right. No, I smell it different. I smell cranberry for sure. And I smell a crust. Oh, it's good. What are they talking about? Oh, no, it don't smell like it to me. Not at all. I tell you, everybody knows it's different. Everybody knows it's different. Yeah, everybody's knows it's different. You think they noticed? Girl, I'm stupid. But in any event, I love this one. Ooh, can't wait. Okay, so the next one, it's called White Velvet Coconut. I don't know, I got this one either. All right, let's see. Packaging is adorable though. Okay. Yeah, I don't know about this one, y'all. I keep doing it to myself. Somebody needs to stop me. The last one though, the last one is bae. Okay, yeah. Ooh, the packaging, man. It's kind of wrinkled, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. I don't like that. Y'all know I'm anal. All right, it's called Chocolate Grams. Whew. All right, let's see. I don't know. It don't smell. Okay, it must smell better later or something because a lot of people like this one. Whew, how many did I like? Yo, it's getting rough out here. All right, I'm not buying no more candles until Candle Day. I'm not doing a 3 for 3. I don't care. I don't care if they give me a 20%. I ain't getting nothing else. So yeah, I didn't get every one in the collection. And it was one I think that I wanted and I didn't get. And after I placed my order, I was like, damn it. But it's okay. It's okay. Candle Day, do-da. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And y'all know reviews are coming ASAP. Because, yeah, Candle Day purchases reviews are done, son. So let me hurry up with y'all because I am going to review the chocolate grams right now. Anywho, having said all that, I will see you babies later. I love your guts. And y'all, come on, be good. All right?